Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add extra baggage on Etihad Airways. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad Airways account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Etihad? Launch in a browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type etihad.com and that's going to take you to this official website where you can now follow the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic window or homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to add extra baggage on Etihad Airways. So let's book a flight. So from here, I'm going to change this to one way and I'm going to change it to first class because I'm on top of the world, and here is going to be, I'm going to change this to Dubai and flying to London. Outbound date is going to be 15th, and I'm going to click on search flight. So now we are currently in this window. So it says one seat left. So I'm just going to choose any of this. So I'm just going to select that. Just select and click on continue. And it's going to take me right into the next window. So over here, I'm going to have to confirm your flight details and my title. So confirm contact information. So click on continue. Ensure you click on continue. So we are in this window where we can add extras. So in adding an extra baggage, just go ahead and select add extra baggage and click on this add hyperlink in here. And now you can add extra baggage. So this is it. No baggage selected. So this is baggage. So go ahead and select the kg, all right, the weight of your baggage. So it's a 60 kg checked baggage, maximum 32 kg per bag. So you can just add as many as possible. And let's say this is just 5 kg. So I'm just going to click on continue. Now this is the total. Of course, adding an extra baggage is going to increase your fee. So click on continue and it's going to take you right into the payment window itself. So one extra baggage added. So I'm going to click on continue. Now that takes me here. So you can now add your credit card or whatever payment method you like to use. Once you're done, go ahead and check this box and click on pay now. So that way you've been able to add an extra baggage on Etihad Airways. So that's pretty much it. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.